Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Monday, July 13th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for you guys today. I got to make this quick because I'm actually running a little bit behind this morning. Sorry about that. But yeah, I actually was talking to Jupiter 1111 last night. We had a meeting, and we're gonna be working on something together. Basically like a call to action for Lightworkers, because I feel like that's what's happening this year. A lot of us, reason that we had these towers was because we needed to clear out some bad energy, some issues, we needed to go through a healing process so that we could get ready, because I feel like next year is going to be really kind of like upping the ante, and we're really going to be needed. So just letting you guys know that's something that we're working on. Yeah, okay, and this is interesting because we were talking about this last night. So the fact that this came up is really interesting. A lot of us right now, we're dealing with this sort of rejection dynamic, or this rejection paradox, where we're like feeling like, we want to be nice, we want to be accepting, but there's a fine line between, unconditional love and, abuse. Right? We don't put up with abuse. Just because you love somebody doesn't mean you have to put up with their behavior. You're not rejecting the person, you're rejecting the behavior. So if you're in a situation where you feel like you need to enable somebody to abuse you, that's not good. You need to get out of that situation. Okay, that is okay to say no to that behavior. You can still love that person. You can love them from a distance, right? But also, I feel like a lot of us right now are asking for help, and that's good, because I know I mentioned like that was kind of what Source wanted you guys to do last week. But I also feel like a lot of us right now are rejecting our inner child instead of working on healing that. Okay, some of us are still rejecting our inner child right now. Okay. So right now, I feel like a lot of us are being called to listen to our intuition, listen to Spirit. Any information that you're getting through Spirit, you need to do that. And a lot of us, the information we're getting is the foundations right now, specifically with our inner child issues. They're not stable. They're not stable at all. And that might be why you're rejecting your inner child right now, okay? Understanding that is not a good place, right? It's not a good place to go back to, but you have to integrate it. You can't let it just sit there. You have to integrate it, okay? That's what we're talking about when we talk about inner union, okay? You're reintegrating all of your subpersonalities, okay? So yeah, right now, listening to your intuition to gain insight on what you need to do, because a lot of us have been sitting in this stuck energy, not sure what to do, not sure how to move forward. And that's one of the reasons why, we were talking last night is like, we need to talk about how to help people use their intuition on how to use that to strategize. Because I feel like a lot of people, they get these ideas and they're not sure how to move forward with them. Okay. And actually make them a reality in the 3D. Right? It's like we're constantly stuck in this anxious energy because we want to move forward, but we don't know how. It's like we're waiting for this information to come through to help us move forward, right? To help us pick up the pieces from the towers and everything that's been falling around us, right? But you have to understand the reason that these towers fell in the first place was because the foundation had no integrity. They needed to fall. This needed to happen. People needed to fall away from you. Situations needed to end. Things needed to happen in order for you to change your perspective, change your perception, change your reality, get yourself into a high vibration so you can step into your role, right? But a lot of us still at this point are rejecting our shadow selves, and that's the main issue here. This is the main issue. It's like we're still enabling our shadow selves right now to abuse us instead of dealing with it. Okay? So yeah, what do you need to release? Boom, bingo, right there. I couldn't have said it any better. Okay. What do you still need to release? And if you think you don't, you're in an illusion. I'm sorry, but you are. Okay. Yeah, some of you that is a personal issue, and it is coming to a head. Okay. And it's like, you're kind of stuck in this limbo state, right? But just understand, you have the power to control yourself. You cannot control the other person. You cannot control the situation. You can control yourself. And the best thing you can do is just to work through your fears, work through your shadow self, okay? Stop rejecting your shadow self. Stop rejecting your inner child. Embrace it. Embrace it, clear it, and release, okay? All right, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.